In my restaurant, we directly get source things from the farmers. My first motto in Desi by Smritishri is to present the authentic flavors, where, as Sir said, less uses of oil, uses of mustard paste, uses of vegetables, uses of the saga. Like in 7 days, I try to give seven different flavors, seven different thalis, so that I want to show to the world that how diversity it is, and we are not even using a 1% of our farmers what they are growing, and that is what I try to do. So what I do is, I know in Odisha it's easy, but in outside it's not. When I go to do Odia food festivals in Bangalore, in Delhi, in Hyderabad, so what I used to do is, I used to travel with those stuff like body, ambula, the dried stuff, and the thing I have learned from my nani and dadi is how to preserve things. As Sir said, now we have the canned thing and we have machinery. Before there was no canned stuff, there was no machine. People used to, the cauliflower only used to come in winter. So my nani used to dry it in sun.
I was about to say,
Yes.
all of dhage mein dal ke we would
Yes.
dry it and use it as and when it's required.
And the time spring will be there, the lemons will be much. My nanny used to put the lemons, carrots. Those kind of vegetables are very easily available. Trust me, when I speak to my bua who lives in US, and I ask her, "Oh my God, how to source the things?" What are you saying? I'm getting every saga, every parval, potal we call parval, lau, chui, bhendi, everything. So sourcing is a thing. If we want, we can source. The way I have my own pickle brand, but I cannot source it outside because of it's not so easy. The paperwork by the government, the import export stuff. If they will make it more easy, then of course our normal farmers, our women at home, the SSG women and the people who are making those buddy dried stuff, it can reach to the world. The shopping marts and all. So I feel, ingredients are getting sourced, but not in a right term. Like we have koradi, which is bamboo shoot. We use it in Odisha, we use it in Western Odisha, but then why it's only shows that only in the Seven Sisters of India has been used. We use koradi, we use hindua, we use everything. And the thing you said about pokhala to be canned, I feel something should be good in fresh. But then there are companies in Odisha who has started probiotic drink with mandia and ragi and all. So now even we can have torani as in a bottle. So I feel right ingredient sourcing is always there. But are we buying it? Are we the person who are adopting our Odia food and culture? Or we are just going ahead and trying out other stuff because, oh, this is Odia food, this is what I eat every day, this is what I get when I go to restaurant. And about this chain of ingredient making people eat, I really want to, in my 5 year, I really look forward that Desi Vai Smritishri will be in a world map somewhere outside of Odisha, so that each of person to try out the flavors of my home, because Desi, the three I differs to my nani, my mother and my I.